this, but first, I want to take a look at this because a lawyer, an actual lawyer, this guy right here, Adam Starr, actually commented on this. He said, all right, here we go. Hot off the presses, new lawsuit against Roblox. It's all about the Apple Dance. Let's do a quick breakdown. The lawyer says that she alleges that while license negotiations were ongoing, Roblox released the Apple Dance emote for sale, but no license was ever finalized, meaning Roblox didn't have permission to use it. Apparently, this one emote made $123,000 in sales. It says that both parties were continuing to negotiate the license until November 2024, but they couldn't reach a deal. That's also around the time that Roblox stopped selling the dance. So, yeah, you actually can't buy the dance anymore. It got taken down. And what looks to have happened here is Roblox and the owner of this dance was, in negotiations to work out an agreement so that the dance could be on Roblox. Roblox assumed the agreement would, get done eventually and everything would be fine, but turns out they never came to an agreement and Roblox had already put the emo up on the website. And since no agreement had ever been agreed to, Roblox had illegally sold copies of the dance, and now they're getting sued for it. Now, this lawyer says Roblox will probably just do a quick settlement, basically meaning that Roblox is probably just going to pay the owner. What was her name again? Her name was Kelly Hire. The lawyer says Roblox is probably just going to send over $100,000 to Kelly Hire and be like, hey, sorry, my bad, here you go. Now, Roblox actually responded and said, as a platform powered by a community of creators, Roblox takes the protection of intellectual property very seriously and is committed to protecting the intellectual property rights of independent developers and creators to brands and artists both on and off the platform.